Good day, people. Today I have something to share about this pen. Parker Vector. More precisely, the cap. Yes, that cap was badly bent. Now, this pen is quite old. I bought it on my second years in my university, which is many years ago. I can't bend it back. I think I snapped it somehow and I cannot just put it back in. It has been so long that I changed it from my pocket pen to my desk pen, and I designed this thing to keep it on my desk like this. This is like it goes like this, right? There is a slot here, there is a hole there, it goes in like this, and it keeps the clip like that. And when I use it on my desk, I will pull it and push it in like that. When it is fully in, it will be like here. See, it's locked. I mean, this clip has been bent so long that I managed to design this thing and use this for years, and now I know how to bend it back. So I want to share how to unbend Parker Vector clip if you have the same problem. First, I have to take it out. I have to push this one in, and then pull it out, which is quite difficult to do with camera around. Yeah, like this. Okay, so it has been many years that this clip is beyond help. But now, just now, I realized that this clip can be removed. So this is a Parker Vector clip. On the finial, you will see the Parker logo right here. This is actually a sticker. You can gently ply it off, just like that. And I will put it away, just so. Inside is a simple screw that with most small size screw you can remove it like this. Right. Now, when you unscrew it, the inside will fall off like this. This thing is the cap that provides the seal to the pen, like that. So keep it. Now, after the screw has been unscrewed, you can just pop it off. And the clip is here. Now you can bend this thing back to shape. I will bend it now. Holy, it's quite stiff. Where's here? All right. Now let me try. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Now, to put it back, first you put the clip in, the screw in, just like that, and then with the pen and the tip, the seal right on the tip, push it in like this, right? If you push it all the way, the screw will pop out and you can screw it back. And when you do, notice that the clip is, right now it is loose. It will get tighter as you screw back in. Like right now I can move it, right? You will keep screwing. Now it can move as much, a little bit more. Yeah. There, nice and tight. There. And with that, a decade old Parker vector clip finally returned to shape. And then I will put the sticker back. Of course, since it was gluing, I will have to put some glue on it. I will just use anything that I have nearby, just a cheap glue. Well, so just so you know, if you decide to follow this guide, before you remove the sticker, make sure you remember which side is up. I don't remember actually, so I will just put it in. I'm not sure if I remember the side correctly. Doesn't matter. There. And then I will wait for the glue to dry. Maybe use another glue. There. Done. Parker vector clip restored.